Hey, this is something a little bit different. It's basically just another UI for Ableton's native compressor. But I think it makes compression rather transparent. I mean, what it does, not the compression as such. I mean, it can be transparent, but it can be pretty noisy too. Actually, I just start with something rather noisy. Attack and release all the way off. Threshold and all the way down, gain all the way up, ratio all the way up, dry wet all the way up. And here's a break playing. Yeah, and with the threshold all the way down, if you play with attack and release, it starts pumping, which all the way wet may be a bit much, but yeah, mixed in a little bit, it's kind of nice. And yeah, more subtle things, of course, work too. Let's go all wet and take the threshold down quite a bit and the ratio down quite a bit. The ratio's scaled, so the lower ratios take far more of the fader than the higher ratios. So I don't exactly know where 221 is, but well, the meters work very nicely too here. The middle one with the gain reduction. So I don't know. I have a feeling I know what I'm doing when using compression, which is not always the case. Yeah, hope you have fun.